Welcome to our second video on making tax digital for VAT, or MTD for short, and what you need to know as CLA members. I'm Louise Speke, CLA Chief Taxation Adviser. In today's video, we will be focusing on an introduction into how to get ready for MTD, which starts on the 1st of April, the software and resources that you are required to use, and the guidance that is available to you.
To get ready, you will need to start keeping your accounting records electronically from 1st of April. Even if you do not do this at the moment, you will need to submit your first return that occurs after 1st of April through the new MTD portal. This means if you are already using software to keep your accounting records, then you should check with your software providers to make sure your version of the software is MTD compatible. On the other hand, if you are not already using any software, or if your software is not MTD compliant, then you will need to consider what software is suitable for your business requirements. HMRC have published a list of compatible software on the government website, which you can find in the description below. This list will be updated as more software providers have shown their software product is compliant with the MTD program.
The use of Excel spreadsheets will still be allowed, but if you use spreadsheets to keep your accounting records, you will need to use bridging software in order to send to HMRC your VAT returns and to receive information back from HMRC. You will need to make sure that the spreadsheet information is not physically retyped into another software package in the process. Otherwise, you could fall foul of the MTD rules. If you use multiple software packages in your business, for example, you may use an accounting software for your farming business and a separate package for your holiday let footings, then it is important that the data can be transferred between the two without any manual input. This process will normally involve the import and export of data or downloading and uploading files. The transfer of data via email or a memory stick or USB stick is fine. So you can, for example, download the data into an Excel spreadsheet and send that on a memory stick to your accountant to do any necessary VAT calculations and submit your return on your behalf.
A recent survey carried out by the Chartered Institute of Taxation suggested that 99% of the returns are filed online. Only around 13% of the VAT returns are currently filed directly from the software. For the remaining 87%, the VAT return figures are typically entered manually into the government's gateway. Many businesses will need to review their internal processes and how the information flows to make sure they meet the requirements.
There is a misconception that HMRC will provide free software, but HMRC has confirmed that it will not be providing any software directly. Members have confirmed that some banks or other organisations may offer complementary software products that are compliant with MTD for VAT. Some software suppliers may offer a no-frills bridging software as a way to gain popularity, but HMRC will not guarantee that there will be a free product available at all times. You will need to consider what is best for your business and whether there is any support and what the future cost may be when you are choosing your software. I would just like to remind you that HMRC has produced a suite of guidance videos on MTD for VAT, which explain the requirements and the MTD signing up process in further detail. The details are in the description below, or you can also click the link in the top right-hand corner.
The CLA will also be running a series of different MTD events throughout the country, which you can attend to hear about the project in even more detail. If you have any questions, please feel free to email them to joshua.gill@cla.org.uk and include your membership number. Thank you for listening.